Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we'll explore a key feature for administrators, transferring survey ownership. Whether a team member is moving on or roles are shifting, this is a crucial step for a seamless transition. Let's get started. First, if you need to transfer ownership of a single survey, go to the user section in your admin panel. Here, you can search for the existing user you want to transfer the survey from. Use any criteria, username, first name, last name, or even filters like division and account status. Once you found the user, click on their username to access their account info. Next, click View Account Use Info. You'll see a Change Owner option next to the survey you want to transfer. Click that. Now, search for the user you want to transfer the ownership to. Once you found them, hit Transfer. If you need to transfer multiple surveys at once, it's just as easy. Start by returning to the admin page and selecting users. Use the search criteria again to find the user whose surveys you want to transfer. On the far right of their profile, you'll see an option labeled Transfer Surveys. Click that. Next, choose Select Recipient from Address Book. Here, find the user you want to transfer the surveys to and click their name. Select the projects you'd like to transfer. Make sure everything looks good and then click Transfer Projects. And you're done. The ownership of those surveys is now in the hands of the new user.